Hello, this is Julie Wang and welcome to 1 Minute Bio News, delivering you the hot and nutritious K-Bio news. To meet the escalating demand for pharmaceuticals, contract manufacturing organizations in Korea are expanding their production equipment and facilities. With the soaring demand for contract manufacturing for products like COVID-19 vaccines, they needed to not only increase their manufacturing plants, but also back up the hike in the production of pharmaceutical raw materials and health functional foods. Samsung Biologics is operating 3 plants in Songdo and is slated to kick off a 4th plant. Currently being built in October, they are also about to begin construction of a 5th multimodal factory where various types of biopharmaceuticals will be able to be produced. Moreover, the 6th plant for mass production of antibody drugs and an open innovation center are also to be built. Celltrion is also speeding up the process of expanding factories. Celltrion bought a plant site in Zone 11, Songdo, to build a 3rd plant where they will churn up to 200,000 liters of biopharmaceuticals per year. ST Pharm, a contract development and manufacturing organization for pharmaceutical raw materials, in an effort to dominate the oligonucleic acid therapeutic market, they are currently building a 2nd oligo factory while also expanding the existing facilities. Hamin Pharmaceutical plans to complete construction of an eye drop plant in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam in July this year. It's an automated plant for eye drop equipped with state-of-the-art technology. The total floor area of the factory will be 21,000 square meters, 3 times of the size of a soccer field, and is currently being built on a 25,000 square meter site in Ho Chi Minh City. Well, thanks for listening to 1 Minute Bio News. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.